Hey guys, it's me, Stephanie. So today I'm going to be showing you my closet tour. If you're wondering why the back of my room looks so crazy right now, if you saw my room tour, I will link it down below. I usually keep it pretty clean, but I'm not going to lie to you, it's a mess right now. So I am packing to move to New York City. I'm moving to Manhattan. With that being said, since all my clothes are not going to be in my closet anymore, and it won't look as pretty, I thought that I would show you my closet. I'm very excited about it. If you aren't subscribed, be sure to do so. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, you totally can. Follow me around on my New York City adventures. And yeah, let's get started. Want to see my closet? So I have some clothes on the bed still, but these clothes were actually downstairs in the closet because this is mostly like coats and stuff. It's my dog Apple. Usually just a closed door like this. I showed you guys in my room tour how my room is kind of set up, but it's right next to my bed and you open the closet. The good thing about my New York apartment is that my closet's right next to my bed because I feel like that's less scary than like super far away where you can't see it. Okay, so this is like the overview. So we have these set up. I think they're from IKEA, but I'm not sure. They were already set up before I moved in. I just had to put all my stuff in. So to kind of summarize it all up, I'll go into depth, but to give a general idea, I put my winter stuff right here, my long sleeves, my little coats that'll fit in here, long dresses, because this is the only long section. My hats are up above. This is all dresses, and this is all short sleeve stuff. Then we have hats, like winter beanies, scarves, jean shorts, black and gray jeans. Right here is all my shorts that are kind of like flowier, if that makes sense. Blue jeans, skirts, miscellaneous, like striped pants, white pants, green pants, pants I don't really wear that often. And then down there is just sweatshirts, and I literally shove them in a ball and throw them in, if I'm being honest. Okay, so I kind of wanted to, I wasn't sure how I wanted to film this little segment because I'm gonna close the door. So this is the back behind me. It's pretty small, but it's also big at the same time. Do you guys get that feeling? Also, this is my bear. He's kind of slunched over, but he's in here always. But do you get what I mean? It's big, but it's also small, if that makes sense. I wouldn't consider it a walk-in, but I wouldn't consider it not a walk-in. Anyway, so up above I have this hat right here for the summer. I have a little beanie right here, a baker's hat, another sun hat. Here I have all my winter stuff. So here's like a Urban Outfitters sweater. I have like, things are super cramped here. I hope in my New York apartment I can at least, I mean things are gonna be cramped, but I hope it looks a little bit better. I think it looks so cramped because I have different hangers. That's something I'm gonna do in my New York apartment that's different, is I'm gonna make sure the hangers are all the same. Cause look, you have all these different hangers and it makes things not fit as well together. One of my favorite pieces here is, this is my friend Kristen's, I have to give it back to her before I move. One of my favorite pieces here is this blue little coat. There's a picture on my Instagram of me wearing it to Fashion Week, but it's just like my favorite little coat. It's one of a kind, I feel like. It's not one of a kind, but one of a kind in my closet at least. It's like one of my big statement pieces. See, everything's kind of so cramped. And then I got this from Nasty Gal. The back is like a hoodie. It's cropped. The front is just normal. Has some lint on it that's hot. And then the piercings, or what do you call these, are like on the sides of the jacket. Really cool. Another favorite piece from here is this embroidered 1970s. That's what the lady at the thrift store told me. I don't know if it's true, but it's embroidered on the top, and I got it from a thrift store in Phoenix, Arizona for $5. And I just feel like you could pair this with like these Levi just like orange shorts, or these pink ones or white ones, or literally anything. Like, look at all those colors. It's just a good summery piece. It's not cropped though, which I wish it was. Yeah, that's one of my favorite pieces in my closet. Another favorite piece is this. A lot of my favorite pieces are thrifted. I found this. Where did I find this? It was definitely at the thrift store, but I don't remember where I was or where it's from. But if you guys don't know, my dog's name is Apple. I named her after New York. And then I have another dog named Eloise. I'm named after New York. But my last name is York. And so I don't know, this is basically just a New York shirt, but it's cool that it has like the apple on it. It's kind of distressed. Not kind of distressed. It is distressed. On to the dresses. I feel like one of my favorite pieces here would definitely be, this isn't a dress, but I keep it up here just because I wear it over dresses a lot, I feel like. This crocheted top off the shoulder from Nasty Gal. Let's move over here. I have a lot of Levi's shorts and I like the way they all look together. I got these ones from Urban Outfitters. They're orange. I like big bold statements with like a classic top. Either that embroidered top over there with those or just like a solid white tank. It just snazzes up any outfit. And then probably for my skirt collection down here, this is my favorite item. Well, it's definitely like a fall theme. It has buttons in the front. It's super cute. It's corduroy, if you guys know that material. Probably my favorite from the shorts area. And I wear this a lot as well. Just a little flowy. It's definitely a textured print, which I like. And then these are super cute. These are from Urban Outfitters. I mean, these are I'm an idiot. These are from Urban Outfitters. This is from Forever 21. And then these are just solid black jeans. We got some Topshop, some ASOS, some Forever 21. Yeah. And that's pretty much everything in here. Hi guys, I cut my hair. Do you like? And I put my makeup in this one. Everything's a mess. And then I put products that I haven't used yet in here. Here is underwear. Down here is socks and leggings. I don't fold my stuff except if I'm in the mood for it, and that's never. I used to, but I don't anymore. Workout stuff, bathing suits. Yeah, that's what's all in here. I'm not gonna lie to you guys and like fold it all up. I used to have it all folded when I first moved in here, but you know. This is my dad's. I really like it in here. It just gives it a very chic look. Is that the word? I don't know. I put all my brushes in here. I have a lot of jewelry in here. Most of my jewelry is vintage for my grandmother. She had an insane collection. Like, look at that. This is from Nasty Gal. This locket is hers though, my grandmother's. This is hers. Honestly, this is what everyone's looking forward to. It's not as clean as I would like it to be, but you know, you have the chandelier here and then you have the wall. Before, when the people before us were in here, this was covered in books and it wasn't that cute. And I just envisioned this, and this is what it is. A lot of people ask me where I got this. I got it from PB Teen. It's perfect for like a little desk chair or anything like that. Under here, I put in here, there's nothing in here right now, but I put all my newly purchased items in here. I want to put a place like that in my closet in my apartment, but yeah. In here, the next one, I have, come on, focus. In here, I have a lot of heels, and those boots are broken. That's why they're in here. The heel literally fell off when I was in Dallas, Texas, and then I have, I have Christmas decorations in here too. I'm just being real with you guys. I don't feel like cleaning up and like being fake or anything like that. But when I moved in here, obviously it was a lot cleaner, like in my room tour, but I'm just gonna be real. This is my grandmother's as well. She was a fashionista, jeez. Yeah, so Christmas decorations slash heels. Yeah, okay. The next thing is this little, you know, it looks like this from far away. I love that it's all built in. And this little book I got from Victoria's Secret, believe it or not. I got this from Z Gallery. My hands are so dry, guys. Oh my gosh. Anyone have any advice? Even though I put lotion on, it's still dry. These shoes are from Forever 21. These shoes I think are from Steve Madden. These are from Forever 21. They're sort of like you would wear them in the rain, if that makes sense. These are also from Forever 21. These are from Boohoo. These are from Boohoo. These are from ASOS, I believe. These are from Steve Madden. These are from Steve Madden, I think, as well. I forget where these are from, but you can literally find them anywhere, literally anywhere. These ones are from Urban Outfitters. These are probably my favorites. Wore those a lot in the winter. These ones are from, I think, Amazon. Nothing fancy. These are from Target. These are from Lulu's. They have like the little backing with the detail on the heel. I want to say these are from Target, and these are from Forever 21, I believe. This little candle stand is from TJ Maxx, and then the candle's from Bath & Body Works. I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna get up here. I like that. I can like stand up here. Okay. These candles, you can see them from far away when you're like standing in my bedroom, but I got these from TJ Maxx. I love these. I'm obsessed. They're super cute. And then I make sure that they're lined up with the shoe underneath them. I got this from Pier 1 Imports. And then I showed all this whole, because there's bookcases over here, but I showed that in my room tour already, and I will link that down below. I don't want to do the whole setup. I'm just gonna hold the camera. But if you guys enjoyed this, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I hope you did enjoy it. Thanks for even getting this far. If you guys wanna see my room tour, it's down below. That was really fun to film as well. I'm super excited about this journey in my life, and I thought that I would show you my closet before it's not my, you know, permanent closet anymore. If you've been on my channel, if you know me, I've wanted to live in New York my entire life. I'm from LA, I've lived here my entire life. I need a change, and New York's the place that I'm meant to be. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm so excited, and I would love if you would be excited with me, follow my journey. I'm gonna make, you know, a lot of New York vids. So everything will be linked down below. Join me, and I love you so much. Okay, bye. I'm so awkward.